Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm participating in a Winter Wonderland tiered tray collab hosted by Carol from My Blessed Nest. So I have this tray which sits on my kitchen counter all the time. I decorate the top and then I use the bottom for, things like everyday items that we need in the kitchen. I fell in love with it when I saw it at Home Goods. It is a little marble and silver number and I absolutely love it. So for today's project, I'm going to start with these adorable little houses, which I found at the Target dollar spot. I'm in love with little houses in all shapes and sizes, and I think these are absolutely adorable. So I went ahead and arranged them towards the front of the tray. And since we're going with the Winter Wonderland theme, this gives me a very good excuse to use bottle brush trees. I adore bottle brush trees in every shape and size that you could possibly imagine. And I have quite a few in this bright white color, so I decided to use those today. I have them in quite a few different sizes, so I just started layering them in the back section of the tray to make myself a little forest of bottle brush trees. Once I had the trees arranged the way I thought they looked nice, I went ahead and dug out a little tart tin because I thought this would be a very nice way to have just a little bit of candlelight for the evening time. I popped in a little votive candle and then placed it in front of the houses. The finishing touch for the top tier is to add a little bit of snow around the houses and the candle. If you're wondering what I'm using for snow, it's just plain old sea salt. I picked this up at Costco and I love this stuff. It has got a grinder on the top, so I always have fresh ground salt whenever I want it. I use it for cooking all year round, but in the wintertime and Christmas time, I use it to make snow to use in my decor. It works perfectly and I don't have to worry about the kids or the dogs getting into, the fake snow at all. So it works perfectly for me. I've been doing this for years and I've never had a problem with it.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around.
Moving on to the bottom tray, I have this adorable covered dish, which I don't know about you guys, but I love anything with a cover on it. I think it is so much fun. So I'm going to add this into the mix.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Next, I have this pair of salt and pepper shakers, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to add these to the back section of the tray.
With the wind blowing in your hair, we can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand?
And since I'm craving flowers, I'm going to add this little arrangement, which I made years ago, into the mix as well. It's in a cute little bowl. I actually have a set of these and I think the detailing on it is so pretty. And here's a little tip that I use all the time when I'm arranging little bouquets like this. I take a styrofoam ball and I cut it in half, and that's what I add all the flowers into. So then when I want to move it from container to container, I don't upset the arrangement at all. It works pretty slick. So I went ahead and added the flowers to the opposite side of the tray from the covered dish, and I think this balances out the height between the two very nicely. Then to bring just a touch of what I did from the top tray down to the bottom tray, I added one bottle brush tree right in the middle of the tray. And what is any sort of winter decor without a few deer, at least? They are a prerequisite, if you ask me. So I'm going to use this adorable little guy right here. He's got a cute little bell. He's marked Japan, and you can see he has a stopper. So he's a little one of two that I have that are salt and pepper shakers. So I'm going to add the first one here onto the tray. And of course I will add his little friend as well. This one's slightly different in that it has a different color bow and it has little yellow antlers. And once again, for a finishing touch, I'll add just a little bit of snow around the deer.
Strive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will link Carol's channel down below, as well as a playlist for today's collaboration, so you can go check out everyone else's tiered tray designs. If you haven't already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of my YouTube family. I like to share lots of decorating, DIYs, and of course thrifting videos every single week. Before you take off today, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of today's video, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.